Hello parents, welcome back. Today we are going to learn a skill which is of great help in dealing with kids. In your daily life, how frequently do you react and how frequently do you observe your feelings? You hardly observe your feelings, right? This is what the most concerning thing because in this fast paced world, we are getting easily stressed out, and there are so many things that we are handling. As part of this, we get frustrated, we get tired, we get anger, and by the evening, when you reach home and when you are dealing with kids, this will often you'll throw it onto them, all this baggage, right? But later you will realize. Since our childhood, since our parents want us to be happy always, right? We are not allowed to observe our feelings. Let's say if we cry, they take us away, or they show some uh, movie, or they try to uh, sing a song. So, or if we are feeling sad, they uh, keep us entertained. They play with us, right? So we were attuned in such a way that we are often getting distracted other than happy feelings, right? That's where we lost control of this awareness. What if we can develop this awareness of the feelings? You will consciously respond instead of giving a sudden reaction, right? You know what are your feelings. Based on that, you will try to respond. If you are tired, you realize the problem is here, not with your kid, right? Because the way you react earlier, it used to be very strong. Now if you realize that this is coming from here, then we'll have a better response. So for this, the technique is just sit in your home, in the balcony, or whatever comfortable to you, or on a road. If you are there at any time, just stand and watch the cars, the vehicles passing on the road, and see your feelings based on that. Because let's say if someone is going by a small car, you might be feeling sad, right? Maybe poor guy, even though person who is owning a car means it's actually a good comfort, right? It depends because we don't know, like it is not a common factor for each and every human being, right? So different persons have different feelings. We just see, let's say if someone is uh, especially on the um, uh, small roads where people are carrying luggage, or rickshaw wala, or autos, so whatever the vehicles that you see, you just observe the feelings that you are having. Sometimes you might feel angry with the way people are driving, or there is too much of horn, they are honking. So all this you get frustrated, right? Instead of reacting suddenly, of course you can't react in those situations, right? They are not in your control. Those things you just don't yell or don't talk to yourself, or you just observe those feelings. So as you have this practice of this observation, you slowly develop what is happening inside, right? So whenever you slowly aware of this one, you realize in the heat of the moment where actually you react, where you see, yes, this is what I am stressed about. This is what I am fearful. So, all those feelings you will realize with this practice. Hope you practice this very much and deal with your kid with a conscious response. Stay tuned, keep learning. Bye.